In Unit 3, we learnt that living things can detect changes in the environment and produce responses. This ability is important for their survival. It helps living things avoid danger or look for food and mates. For example, when a hawk sees a fish underwater while flying, it responds by diving and catching the fish. Bats can give out sound and detect the echoes of the sound reflected from nearby objects. In this way, it can locate the positions of surrounding objects when flying, even in the dark. A change in the environment is called a stimulus. The ability to detect a stimulus is known as a sense. Humans have 5 main sense organs for detecting stimuli in the surroundings. These are the eyes, ears, noses, tongue and skin. When these organs are stimulated by appropriate stimuli, they send signals to the brain, where various senses, such as sight, hearing, smell, taste and touch are produced. When eye is stimulated by light, it sends signals to the brain and produces sight. When ear is stimulated by sound, it sends signals to the brain and produces hearing. When nose is stimulated by chemicals in air, it sends signals to the brain and produces smell. When tongue is stimulated by chemicals in food, it sends signals to the brain and produces taste. When skin is stimulated by pressure, temperature, etc., it sends signals to the brain and produces touch, heat and cold, etc. Each type of sense organ contains receptors. They are sensory cells that can detect a particular stimulus. When the receptors are stimulated, they send signals to the brain and a sense is produced.